basi. And DCI ndio tutasema kitu.
So maybe you can clarify. Are they going to recover the money from insurance or
who?
The banks? In order for them to recover the money from insurance.
Hiyo mtauliza baadaye. Mimi ni pesa tu nataka. Pale inatoka. Sijui banks wako na pesa. And this thing is not only happening in Kenya. If you do your research, you will see that deferred prosecution happens all over the world, especially in common law jurisdictions in the UK and the US. Labda ni salary zao kidogo tume Who are you kwanza? Huh? Okay. So what's your question? I don't know. You're the guys who are covering it.
Excuse me, we just have 3 questions. Just 3 questions. And if you could just focus on what has been discussed, it will really help us. So 3?
It's okay.
Fine, right?
Yeah, 3 questions.
Yes.
You can ask. There's nothing. Beatrice, don't worry. You know, she's the information. we have no problem.
You're not escaping from anything.
Yeah.
Please. You're free.
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Muraya, I work with Capital.
Yeah.
They are concerned that you're working with this year.
Let me tell you, I've just told you here, that is wishful thinking. Hiyo ni kitu muna create. Kama watu wawili wameninio huko officers, sisi as principals we have no problem. Yeah. Yes.
Is this in effect the end of prosecution of banks in the relationship?
No. You see, this is called deferred agreement. We have to agree. If we don't agree, we prosecute.
But the other banks, because we knew there were other banks which had handled small amounts.
If they are not here, the process is still ongoing.
So we did disclose how many banks?
Yes, of course. That's why we're here. Otherwise,
the banks.
of course. Yeah, no, we will. Once the process is complete, we'll let you know whether we are prosecuting or we are entering into deferred prosecutions.
When I did it,
Yes.
some of you on TV, mine is very specific. And I have the
Can I ask you, how long did the dam issue take? How many times did you people insinuate that tulikuwa compromised? The Lake Basin. It took 2 years. So what is 4 months? Don't try and create. Musikubali kutumika na corrupt cartels. You see, there is no. In fact, when it comes to crime and criminal law, there is no limitation. It's not civil. Yeah. So mkuwe na subra. Kuna process na process itachukua. Even the deferred prosecution, it's taken a year.
And a follow-up to the same.
You know, you're asking the same question over and over. It is simple. This can happen anywhere. It doesn't mean it is the DCI and me. We have no problem. And teething problems occur in any institution. So don't overblow and create things out of nothing. How many DCI?
Sincerely, what the DPP has said over here. In the criminal justice, the way my brother just asked, you have asked a very pertinent question. And, there is the investigative arm, there is the DPP, then the judicial. So, such things, I can assure you, they usually do happen, time to time. But if they recur again or we see it again, that is when we can always say there is a problem. Surely. And because I know you are my son. When you marry, you are not going to say that you are going to throw your wife because of just an incident once, isn't it? Unless it's repeated, that is when you can say that. But for sure, what the DPP has said, it was just, something BCD, but absolutely wishful thinking. People may perceive, build many mountains out of something very small. So that's what I would say.
Is it peculiar then that the DPP, you have the 2 files on the same institution, the same individual?
Actually, I have 4 files for your information. 4 files on the same institution, some of it same individuals. And probably there are more others on the same individual. So you be patient.
Omar Mohammed,
Yes.
what those measures?
There's quite a number of measures which we're actually monitoring, because we entered this agreement a little bit last year. We've been monitoring before we can announce, and the banks have been putting measures in place. But it is in the statement, and we'll give it to you and we'll share it with you. There's quite a number of them, and we are also working not only with the banks, but also with Central Bank and the DCI and the EACC.
On the DCI, what is the status of the investigation to Kene's murder?
Thank you for that. Today, I'm going to share with you some sectors there who when you are the medium between us and the public, we have no any other medium other than you. And when other people want to put their narrative, when we want to actually tell the public, because we have an obligation to tell the public, that is when the problem comes. They themselves, they want you. They don't want us to need you. So today, in fact, by afternoon, I'll tell you exactly what happened and what we are pursuing. So please be ready this afternoon. Personally, I'll do that.
We have suspects.
Sorry? We shall discuss. So there will be no more speculation on what we are pursuing. It will be ready.
So one final question. Yeah.
Actually, have two. The first one is concerning this matter that you've issued a statement.
Yes.
That feel that given the agreement that you have reached.
Did he say that? Did he say that? Where? This year ambia huyu jamaa. Mimi sijaona wala sijamsikia.
No, absolutely, because of these things when they are say, I agree with you, my brother. So please, I will say, some of these things, when they get out of context, isn't it? Because initially we didn't have an opportunity to talk, or perhaps even you hear from us, isn't it? That you have heard from us, kindly. Can you pick it from there? Thank you.
Just one
Which one? Give me one. No, don't give blanket in here. Give me one acquittal or two.
Like with regards to NYS.
Which one? Where is the acquittal in NYS?
We are yet to see
The case is not complete, my friend. Go and read. There's a difference between acquittal and the process still going on. It is still in court. All the NYS cases. There's no acquittal. Ama ni vipi boss? Yeah, let me answer your question. In relation to the banks and their managers, we've entered into deferred prosecution. And the meaning of deferred prosecution is if they continue breaching the agreements that we have with them, we will then be able to prosecute. Okay? And you cannot only enter with just the bank. The bank is, it is a whole system. It includes the managers that you're saying. And as I told you, they were not part and parcel of the crime itself. It is just the fact that they failed to report. Okay? I hope I'm clear. And the points, yeah, please. Nisaidie. Ni sawa. So mujue hii ni kitu ambayo inafanyika duniani kote na tutaendelea kufanya. Lakini tulikuwa tumekubaliana hapa kwamba hii ndio ya kwanza nchini Kenya, sote tuwe hapa kuonesha kwamba tumekubaliana na kuendelea mbele. Mambo kama haya itafanyika na itaweza kuwanufaisha wa Kenya. Kwa hivyo milioni 385 ndio pesa ambazo tumeweza kupata kutoka kwa hizi bank. Kiswahili. Wewe Mswahili. Wewe Kiswahili
sasa.
Boss, hakuna si mimi nimewaambia hakuna, hatujakosana wala kuna mzozo wote baina yetu sisi na DCI wala na EACC. Nimesikia? Na mambo haya ni mambo watu tu wanafikiria na wanataka kuyaleta. Maana kuna watu wengi hawafurahi namna kazi inayofanywa. Kazi itaendelea kufanywa na binadamu lazima kutakuwa na makosa hapa na pale, lakini haimaanishi ya kwamba tumekosana kabisa. Umesikia? Na faili ambazo zile zimekuja, na nimewaambia kesi zote kubwa ambazo kama kesi ya damu, mnakumbuka vizuri sana, ilichukua zaidi ya mwaka, na huo mwaka mzima watu walisema tumepewa pesa, tumehongwa. Watu mlisema hivyo nyinyi wenyewe, watu wa magazeti na reporters. Pia Lake Basin 3 years imechukua miaka 3, umesikia vosema miaka 3. Lakini mwisho kesi zitakuja, na zitakuja kama ziko tayari, na tuna uhakika ya kwamba tutashinda kotini. Umesikia? Kwa hivyo tafadhalini msijaribu kuleta mvurugano baina sisi hapa.
DPP unapozungumzia hilo swala, kila mara mnapata vyombo vya habari toke. Bwana Kinoti amenukuliwa na gazeti la Daily Nation leo kwamba analaumu idara yako kwamba haijapatia kesi hizi. So mnaposema kwamba vyombo vya habari vinawapaka tope, ni nyinyi wenyewe mnajipaka tope mbele ya
sikusema mmetupaka tope. Usiniwekee maneno mdomoni mwangu. Umesikia? Nimesema kwamba hamna subra. Mnafaa kuwa na subra. Umesikia? Kesi, hata ukiangalia kesi gani wa Amerika na wapi, kuna kesi nyingi tumesikia, hata yule Trump anakuwa investigated, paka leo mumeona imemalizika. Mbona wao wana subra? Nyinyi ndio hamuna subra. Kwa hivyo tunawaambia tafadhalini muwe na subra, na msijaribu kuweka doa kwetu sisi, na kwamba mujaribu kuhakikisha kama kitu imefanyika. Ni kosa, inaweza kufanyika, sisi ni binadamu, haimaanishi tumepigana. Na hata kama DCI anataka kunikosoa mimi sina shida, na mimi nikitaka hivi, yani ni kazi. Alivyosema DCI, hata mume na mke hupigana. Umesikia? Lakini iliyofanyika hapo awali haimaanishi mimi na yeye tuna vita yote. Hatuna vita kabisa, ni sisi ni ndugu, na tutaendelea kufanya kazi. Tumefahamiana? Ama mnataka tupigane makamama ndio mtakuwa na hakika ya kwamba asanteni.
Asante.
Shukran. Ama mnataka kuuliza maswali?